Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to safely top up your Ford Fiesta's brake fluid. First, prioritize safety by wearing eye protection and gloves. Ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the engine off. Remember, brake fluid is corrosive, so be careful not to spill it on your car's paintwork or get it on your skin. Next, locate your brake fluid reservoir. In most Ford Fiesta models, it's a white or translucent container found at the rear of the engine compartment, usually on the driver's side. Visually inspect the fluid level. It should always be clearly visible between the minimum and maximum indicator lines on the reservoir side. If it's below the minimum, it's time to add fluid. Choosing the correct brake fluid is crucial for your vehicle's safety. Always refer to your Ford Fiesta's owner's manual for the exact specification. Generally, Ford Fiesta models require DOT4 brake fluid. It is vital to use fresh fluid from a new, sealed container and never mix different types of brake fluid, as this can severely compromise your braking system's performance. Before opening the reservoir, clean the cap and surrounding area thoroughly to prevent dirt from entering. Carefully unscrew the cap and slowly add the correct brake fluid. Fill the reservoir until the fluid level is just below the maximum line. Do not overfill. Once done, securely refit the cap, ensuring it clicks into place, and dispose of any spilled fluid safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.